What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Hungry. Here I am once again at a friend's house. Ed, the old tech guy. Check him out. If you have any tech questions, he can help you out. So we're at his house because there was a little DIY project, but as you can tell, it's kind of hanging low, kind of run into the lights. So he asked me, he says, hey Jay Handy, what can I do to make this a little bit better? So here's what I did for my guy. Went to the local hardware store. We got some nice hardware here. And we extended a pole up, made it nice and level, and we're gonna hang the lights from the top. So I'm gonna hang the lights, put new light bulbs where they're out, and then I'll get back to you and you'll see the work. I introduced myself at the beginning as Jay Hungry. That's because my boy was feeding me. But today, again, I'm Jay Handy. So here we go. So what I did was, got those tubes from the fencing, put them higher. Now we have the lights going all the way around, and you can walk under them. You won't get clotheslined like a WWF superstar. So here's another quick video. I want to say thank you to Tim, who hooked me up with a tripod. And I want to say thank you again to everybody who's subscribed and everybody who's left comments. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Good night.